everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kissondra if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing the 40 beauty questions tag. I thought it would just be a fun video to do today. So let's just get started. So the first section is skincare. How many times do you wash your face daily? Usually I only wash my face once a day, usually at night, like when I shower, because I like to shower at nighttime. What skin type do you have? I have pretty normal skin. I never get oily, but if I would have to say, I'm more normal to dry. Like in the wintertime I get a little bit dry, but I'm really normal skin type for the most part. What is your current facial wash? So my current facial wash, I had to get it out of the shower. It's this Laneige Cleansing Moisturizing Foam Cleanser for normal to dry skin. It just comes in a pink tube here. It's pretty big, it's 6 ounces, and I've had this for a couple months now, and I feel like it's helping clear my skin up a little bit, so that's good. And a little bit goes a long way. Next question is, do you exfoliate? I usually don't exfoliate too much. I have a little pad thing that I use in the shower that has little bumps on it, and I kind of use that with my face wash every once in a while to like rub deeper into my pores, but I don't have like an exfoliating product that I use. Next is, what brand do you use? And that's the Laneige brand that I told you guys about just a second ago. I use their whole skincare line. So it says, what moisturizer do you use? I use the one from Laneige again. It comes in this glass, it's really nice, heavy duty glass jar. It's the Laneige Water Bank Hydrating Gel for normal. This is for normal to combination skin. They have another one, but this one's really hydrating. I like that it's a gel rather than a cream. I feel like creams are a little too heavy duty for me. And it also comes with this little spatula scooper, so you don't have to put your fingers in there. It keeps it more sanitary so you don't get all the bacteria from your hands in there. Do you have freckles? No, I don't have any freckles. Do you use eye cream? I don't use eye cream as often as I should. I have an eye cream, but I don't use it every day. But I really like this one. It's the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It's a little sample size, but it really refreshes your under eyes. I usually use this one in the morning time. And then I have the Belief eye cream. It's in a little blue pod, and I use that one at nighttime when I remember to. Do you or did you have acne-prone skin? When I was younger, like in my teenage years, I didn't break out too much. Like, of course, every once in a while I would get a breakout. And I feel like that's kind of how I am. That's kind of how I am now. I get breakouts like around my period, of course.
Can I try?
But I have been finding that I've been getting breakouts like here, like around my chin area, and they'll go away, but then they'll leave like a dark spot, which kind of sucks. But makeup easily covers covers that, and I feel like the skincare line is helping to make those dark spots go away. Did you ever have to use Proactive? No, I haven't. I always used to see those commercials on TV though, and I'm glad I never had to use that. So the next section is the makeup section. The first question is, what foundation do you use? So right now I'm currently using this Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I really like it for the most part. It says it's full coverage, but it's definitely a more medium coverage, and it's really pretty. I do prefer the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation over this one, just because that one's more full coverage, and that's what I prefer for my makeup routine. But this one is a really good foundation as well. How about concealer? I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I used to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer, but I like this one more. It's more full coverage. Do you know your undertone color? I believe that my undertone color is like yellow to golden undertone. What do you think of fake eyelashes? I like fake eyelashes. I just wish I was better at putting them on. I have such a hard time at like getting them really close, or sometimes I'll get them like too close where they're actually on your eyelashes, which you're not supposed to do. If I was better at applying them, I would definitely probably wear them more often, but I can never get them to stay on for very long either. Did you know that you are supposed to change your mascara every 3 months? Yes, I have heard that you're supposed to change your mascara every 3 months, but I never do change it every 3 months. I feel like if you're the only one using the mascara, you're most likely not going to get any eye infection or anything unless you have like pink eye or something. So I just change mine whenever it starts to get kind of dry, which is usually every 6 months. What brand of mascara do you use? Right now I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, but I do prefer the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes over this one, just because this one, I've had trouble with it transferring onto like right underneath my eyebrow where the eyelashes hit every time you blink and stuff. But it's still a really good mascara if you don't have problems with that. Sephora or MAC? I'll have to say Sephora. I haven't really used any MAC products. I don't know why. I definitely should try some out because I heard that they're really good. But Sephora would be my go-to. Do you have a MAC Pro card? No, because I've never been to the MAC counter. What makeup tools do you use in your makeup application? So I really like to use the Beauty Blender brand sponge. Don't mind, mine's dirty. I have to wash it. I prefer this sponge over like the Real Techniques one, just because this one, it actually is a lot softer and like more squishy, and it makes the application a lot more seamless than the Real Techniques one. And I also have a container full of my go-to brushes. I have all my face brushes in here and my eyeshadow brushes that I like to use. Do you use makeup, base, or primer for your face and eyes? No, I don't use one for either. I haven't found one that I think really makes a big difference. I've used different like face primers before, and I haven't really noticed a big difference, so I just choose not to use one. What is your favorite eyeshadow? I would have to say my favorite eyeshadow is a palette, and it's the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. The eyeshadows are so creamy and they're really easy to blend, and there's a lot of different colors. There's like neutral colors, there's bright colors like a blue, a purple, and there's like red colors too. So it's like a good palette for like every kind of look that you want to create. Do you use pencil or liquid eyeliner? Usually whenever I'm doing eyeliner, which is not often, I use just a liquid eyeliner. How often do you poke your eyes with an eyeliner pencil? I don't think I've ever actually poked my eye with an eyeliner pencil. Just make sure you're being very careful. What do you think of pigment eyeshadows? I'm not really sure what that means, pigment eyeshadows. I guess it's good because then it's really colorful. I don't know. Do you use mineral makeup? No, I don't use mineral makeup. I used to use like Bare Minerals, but I've just moved on to like liquid foundation, and I'm not sure if liquid foundation is technically a mineral makeup. What is your favorite lipstick? So my favorite lipstick is, I have two. I have the MAC Really Me. It's a matte lipstick. It's kind of like a cool tone, purplish. Well, not really purplish. It's just like a cool tone, like nude kind of color. I'll show you. It looks like this. I really like this one a lot. I've used it a lot. And then my new one, I just got this Kylie Cosmetics Bare Lipstick. It's the Velvet formula. It's a really pretty lipstick as well. And I like those two a lot. How about lip gloss? So I don't wear lip gloss a lot, but but I really like this one. It's the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dolly. It's just a really pretty pink lip gloss. And it gives you that nice tingly feeling on your lips as well, which I like. What is your favorite blush to use? My favorite blush is from the Melissa Michelle palette. It's like the only blush that I have, and it's a really pretty kind of like rosy shade. Do you buy your makeup on eBay? No, I have never bought my makeup on eBay. I don't think I've ever bought anything on eBay. Do you like drugstore makeup? Yeah, there's some products that I do like from the drugstore. I feel like I'm more prone to use either like lipsticks or mascaras from the drugstore, but every time I try to get like foundation or concealer, I never can find the right shade, and there's like no one there to help you, so I always just get like high-end foundations just so I can get the help. And I never really like the way that drugstore foundations look either. I don't know. I just prefer high-end. Do you go to CCOs? I don't know what that means. CCOs. So no. Did you ever consider taking makeup classes? Yes, I would like to. Even now, I would still like to take makeup classes, but I have little kids and stuff, so I don't really have the time and like money, I guess, to spend on makeup classes. That's why I just use YouTube. YouTube is a good makeup class. They show you exactly like how to do things, and then you just practice makes perfect. Are you clumsy in putting makeup on? Putting on makeup? No, not really. I think I'm pretty good at putting on my makeup. Name a makeup crime that you hate. A makeup crime? What would that be? Like putting liquid on top of powder or something? I guess that would have to be it. I can't really think of any makeup crime that I don't like. Do you like colorful shades of makeup or neutral tones? I do prefer neutral tones, just personally, because I'm not that confident in using colors, but on other people I definitely like colors. I just need to practice more. They're just a little more harder to blend out and make it look seamless, so I always go with neutral colors. Which celebrity always has great makeup? All the Kardashians always have like really good makeup. Makeup by Mario, he's really good at doing makeup, and makeup by Ariel. I always really like Kylie Jenner's makeup as well. They just always look so pretty. If you could leave the house using just one makeup item, what would you use? Just one makeup item, oh my. Just one? Oh, that's hard. I don't know. I probably would say mascara, just because I feel like it really opens your eyes up and makes your lashes look really pretty. Could you ever leave the house without any makeup on? Yeah, I go out of the house without makeup on. I never used to. I feel like just recently, like a year ago, like I've been comfortable without wearing makeup out in public, which is really crazy, but I feel like my journey here on YouTube has kind of made me a little more comfortable, just because like everyone on the internet has seen me without makeup, so like what's the big deal if you go out of your house without makeup on? I don't know, it's kind of silly. I used to be really crazy about like, I have to wear makeup if I'm going out or whatever, but now I just don't really care as much, which is nice because then I don't have to be like stressed out or anything about it. Do you think you look good even without any makeup on? Yeah, I think I look good. I don't like it like if I have a breakout, of course, that's really visible, but I feel like I said, I'm getting more comfortable in my own skin and like going out without makeup on. But yeah, and I feel like as I'm getting older, I'm kind of liking, I don't know, the way my face is aging, if that makes any sense. In your opinion, what is the best makeup line? Oh boy, I don't know what the best makeup line. I don't know. All the makeup brands are like really good, but if I had to pick one that has like good products in every aspect, I would probably pick either Tarte or Anastasia of Beverly Hills, because they each have like foundations, concealers, mascaras, like you could do a full face with either of those brands. So the last question is, what do you think of makeup? Obviously, I really like makeup. I wear it like 5 times a week, almost every day. I just like whether you like full glam or like more natural. It just makes me personally feel like more confident and better about myself. And I think it's a great way for people to express themselves. And it's like a form of art for me. And yeah, I just really love makeup. I think it's so much fun. And it's a great way to be creative and let your creative juices just like flow and create something beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to get notifications every time I upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!